We just go 10 minutes maybe. So this one, 5 to 10 minutes roughly. What is actually system modeling and analysis? So maybe this is not a very high level control content, but this is a basic knowledge for control system. Very basic. You don't have the basic knowledge before. Okay, so this is the control system. What is the control system configuration? Example of the control system. And finally, we have a step-by-step to design the control system. Okay, so this is the content for chapter 1. Okay, so actually control system you can get anywhere around you. Household or the system equipment that you have using the control strategies. So when you have a system that can give you the output at a certain level that you need, that is a control system. Control system can be open loop, can be closed loop. Open very something like you switch on the light. You switch on, your light if will be on. This is also control system, very straightforward. On, we call that on-off control. So this is also control system. Or you have fan at your house, fan, ceiling fan or table fan, and you have the switch go to setting 1, setting 2, setting 3. So the setting actually is the desired output that you need. To give the speed slow, maybe medium, maybe high speed. This is the control system. When you set the speed setting, meaning that you set your set point of your output. And finally, you can get the blade, your fan will be rotating. So you can get the output, the airflow. So that is the control system. Whether the control system straightforward, we need to design controller, is different story. But now that is a control system. So your fan, light, rice cooker, iron, whatever around you is control system. Okay. So in other words, the definition of control system can be simplified as system which control other system. That is control system lah. So we have the device to control the flow of power to the motor to turn on your fan. That is control system. Setting of your fan 1 to 3, actually you control the current flow. Power to your motor. The motor will turn on your fan. So the output is the speed of the fan. So that is the control system. So maybe you can roughly Google from very simple control system. You have heater, something like that, control the temperature. You have water heater, you have iron, you have any simple system. So the early simple primitive, we call it here. And then we have a 21st century control system that involve many sensors. Many sensors involve fuzzy control, AI, feedback control. There is a high level of control system. So maybe now we have robotics, AI, IoT. That is control system that do the work for us. Very accurate, do the operation, do the maintenance. So all type of control system, from the simplest until the complex one. So the idea here, you must know what is the control system example. Okay, so you must know in your mind what is actually the control system around you. This is the first design water clock. They use the gravity and so on here to create the scale for the clock. This is something like a water clock lah, without using any electrical system and so on, just mechanical parts, mechanical system. Using gravity, we create the mechanism how to get the output. Something like you go to the toilet, you flush the toilet, there's mechanical, but you have the fluid sensor and water flow inside the reservoir, and then you can switch off the cut off the water flow, the switch there, and then only involve mechanical system. Also, we call that control system. So control system involve the mechanical parts only, mechanical activities only. So maybe this one, steam pressure cooker. Last time, the first pressure cooker design. So we have maybe your iron, washing machine, aircon, fan, and so on. So you can finally we can classify all the control system that we have into a specific something like open loop, closed loop, mechanical or electrical or whatever signal involved. So finally we can do some designing lah, after this. Okay, so maybe we have the control system in transportation, in industry, in mechanical instrumentation, in robotics. So that involve IoT. You need to do programming, use microprocessor, computer, apps, and so on. That involve control for to get the final desired output for our system. Okay, so I need you to think one system, one equipment, and draw the diagram for that system. Can you take one piece of paper, one piece of paper, and then draw the diagram. Any one, one system that you think involve control or that operation.
You have to draw the mechanical system?
In any system. Any system. Can you draw the diagram? Draw the diagram. And pause to the Padlet. I give you the link, Padlet link at your Telegram group, or we can put here. We can give the link here. draw the diagram.
Madam, do we need to draw like the flowchart or
No, diagram.
what?
Diagram for any system. You draw the iron. You draw iron. You draw a toaster.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Draw the equipment.
Iron apa? Iron what, doktor?
You want anything that you think is control system that involve control system.
Okay. Thank you.
Maknanya kita lukis gambar dia, doktor.
You draw the
Yelah. Aduh, budak ni banyak tanya.
Betul.
okay. Sketch one example of control system around you. Write your name at the piece of paper and then post here. Hurry up. 1 minute. We wait 1 minute. What is this one? Huh? Anyone? Okay. So you can update
Dah,
this.
doktor. Done.
Huh?
Saya punya yang atas tu, doktor. Yang laptop comel tu.
Hair dryer. Okay, smart lamp, microwave, fan. Where's the very slow internet? Hopefully they can get here. Okay, so you can pause anytime here, because after this we will identify what is the input, what is the output of your system. What is the input, what is the output. Okay, after we identify what is the input, what is the output, what is components, what are the components involved in this system. Okay, so actually after complete the chapter 1, you will draw the block diagram to represent your control system, the real component involved in your control system. Okay, so keep on with this diagram. So whatever you think is your control system here, so and then you will during our class, you can get the idea how to draw the block diagram for your system. And finally, we can identify your system here is open loop or closed loop. So what is the output, how to get the performance, meaning that how to plot the output response for your system. And finally, we can know the transient response, the stability, and also the design, the design of your system. Okay, so maybe we stop here. So don't delete this one. We will continue during next class. So you can update your new diagram also can. So finally we can draw the system block diagram, meaning the system block representation. And finally you will be able to identify the input parameters, the output parameters, the control variable, process variable, what is the manipulated variable, all the terms that we use in chapter 1, you will extract from your diagram. Okay? So please keep this diagram here. At the end of chapter 1, you will able to do all the activities. Okay, so we stop now. Our next class on the Wednesday, 2 p.m.
Madam, for the attendance,
The system record the attendance. Who joined this WebEx already recorded. So make sure next time when you join in, you change the name, your name from the WebEx, put your name and matrix number. And so every class you join the WebEx, your name is there, and matrix number. So the system will record who attend the class. Okay? So don't use others' account. So better you use your account until for the whole subject you attend. So we know that you are around. Okay, any other question? So we don't have questions, so we stop now. So we see you next Wednesday.